Hello and welcome back to part 2 of my spring summer wardrobe declutter and organize. I guess it's becoming a series at this point. Today I'm going to go through my pile that I made. If you haven't already seen that video, I'll link it up here. But I'm going to go through the pile that I made of things that I need to try on to see if I still love them, see if they still fit, to come up with maybe some more styling ideas with them, because maybe it's something that I haven't worn in ages and I'm not really sure why, because it's something that I used to love. So maybe I've just kind of fallen out of love with it a little bit, forgotten how much I love it, or I just kind of need to try new ways to style it basically. So this is going to be a bit more of a chill video. I'm just going to like try stuff on, show you in the mirror, and I'll just vent my thoughts. Again, this might be a bit of a long video. I don't have too many things to try on. It could go either way here. You'll know yourselves that you've clicked on the video. You'll know how long it is. The last video was like 45 minutes. So to anyone who watched that whole thing, well done and thank you. Because I know even I struggle to like sit down and watch a video for that long. But some kinds of videos you can either skip through a little bit, you don't have to watch the whole thing, or sometimes you just want to sit down with a cup of tea and just like indulge. So thank you to those of you who watched it, and if you haven't already seen it and you're not put off by the fact that it's 45 minutes of decluttering, like I said, I'll link it up here, and I think it's my last video anyway if you want to scroll back. Okay, let's get trying some things on. Like I said, it's not a huge pile, it's just a few bits here, and actually these are just things from the wash that I just added to the pile. Today's outfit is a pretty casual one. It is Sunday, bank holiday Sunday, so literally we left the house, we just did some food shopping. I'm just wearing like a cozy hoodie and then my like dad jeans and some slippers. I did wear a better outfit when I left the house, but it's just ended up as this. So right, let's try on the first thing. So the first thing I've thrown on here is these brown wide leg trousers, and these were more of a fit issue that I thought were really tight on me. They're actually fine. I think maybe it's more like when I'm having a very bloated day or something that they don't fit that well. But right now they feel like pretty comfy around the kind of hips and stomach. They do kind of like completely flatten my ass, but I think it's just the fit of these anyway. But yeah, so no, they're okay. Maybe I just haven't reached for them because I just haven't been digging them. So let's see if we can try on an outfit with this that would make me want to wear it very soon. Okay, so I really like this outfit. This isn't something I've ever worn before either. I really like the shirt kind of thrown open over it, and I guess that also kind of helps with the fact that sometimes, you know, if I have eaten a bit too much or I just don't feel great, that, you know, they get a bit tight around your stomach. Wearing something like this kind of hides that. So, you know, if I needed to, I could button it up, or I could kind of tie it up, or like do a little tied tuck or something. But I really like it just kind of worn open and relaxed and easy like this. This is definitely something I would wear to the office, or even if I was just like going out to meet someone for lunch or something. It's quite cute. The shoes I'm not 100% sure if they go. Like they go. The tones might not be great with the trousers, but I wanted to try something that I knew for certain that I could throw on, wear all day, and that they would be comfortable, because there's no point me putting on a really nice pair of heels with this outfit and making it look really nice if I know that's not something I'm actually going to wear like very often. So these are quite comfortable. I could also wear black loafers. I had a pair of black loafers. I couldn't remember if I'd gotten rid of them or not, but I think I did because they had kind of fallen apart. But I have been considering maybe replacing them because I wore them to death, which is a good sign in a pair of shoes. So that could be an option as well. And I think a black top would be nice because it would kind of tie in the black in the top. Black shoes would be nice, it would tie in the top. Yeah, I really like this. So I might pop these trousers back into the wardrobe. So the next piece that I want to try on is this grey skirt. It's just like a grey linen midi skirt. Hadn't worn it in ages, so I was just trying it on to make sure it still fits. Make sure it's like fits but it's comfy, you know, roomy enough. I really love it. I bought this, I want to say 3 years ago when I was going on a trip to Nepal in India, and I think I just like ordered like my whole wardrobe off Depop, but I made sure everything was either linen or like cotton, basically, because I was just so afraid of being sweaty when it was so hot. So really love this. Just styled it with like something basic that I would wear it with, white vest top and these kind of mules from ASOS that I was talking about in my last video. Just really simple, but really chic as well. I just love the shape of this skirt, because I feel like for summer it's very obvious, not obvious, but like it's easy to wear something really short when it's summer and you're just hot, but maybe you wouldn't, not you, but I wouldn't have before chosen something so long, but I just think it's very classy length, but it's linen, so it still keeps me cool, which is nice. So the next piece is this Czech Blazer that I said I loved and I wore so much when I first got it, but I just feel like I haven't reached for it over the last couple of years. I got this in my final year in college, I think, so 2017-18. I love it so much. It just has a lovely print, very classic, very nice tones in it, and so I just styled it with, again, this ribbed vest top, which someone commented the day to ask, like, is it thick enough to wear without a bra? And like, you can kind of see my nipples, so obviously if that's not what you're into and you want something covered, you'll definitely have to wear a bra with this, but or like some like nipple covers or something. But sometimes I feel like a nipple cover is even more visible than a nipple, and also, you know, what's wrong with nipples? If men can do it, so can we. But yeah, that's just a little note on this ribbed tank top. But just putting it on with these kind of wide leg jeans as well, because I used to wear it all the time with like a jumper and skinny jeans or my straight leg jeans. So this is just a little bit different. I've cuffed the arm because it kind of balances out the silhouette a little bit for me. You can see a little bit of wrist. It kind of just, when it's like an oversized-ish blazer with a big shoulder, and then you know, that kind of longer length and then the wider leg, I just needed something. So I needed a wrist action, and then also some daintier shoes to balance it out too, and something that's kind of like skin tone for me, so elongates the leg, creates a bit of like daintiness to balance out the more masculine blazer. I quite like this outfit. I'm very much digging it, so I think this is something I could easily reach for. It'd be lovely for work. Likewise, I could wear it with those nude ballet flats, so I'm just going to try that too, because although the colour is the same, sometimes when you change the style of a shoe, it can completely change, even though you think it's going to look the same. So let's just try. Yeah, I mean, they're still kind of dainty. They still kind of give a similar vibe. Not quite as nice, but I would accept it for a work outfit. I think, yeah, I think it's really nice. So yeah, I think I'm going to pop this back in my wardrobe, and I'm going to aim to wear it to work this week. Maybe this will be my outfit on Tuesday when I'm back to work. So yeah, sometimes it's just about challenging yourself to wear something and then realising you do really like it. I have worn it before in the past, like with a belt around it as well, and it looked really cool, with like a skinnier or a straighter bottom. That was quite cool, but I don't really have any of those kind of belts anymore, but I'm liking this kind of loose, relaxed look. Okay, next up is this wrap blouse. Let me show you a little bit closer. So it's that kind of like a sheer pinstripe almost. Really nice blouse, really nice collar on it as well. I'm kind of struggling though with this outfit. I don't know if I love it. So I've styled it with my straight fit faux leather trousers and some red loafers, which I think is quite a sharp look, I suppose. The high contrast with the white and the black, and then the pop of red. I don't know, I feel like I should like it, but I don't love it. It feels a bit too much going on, and then I've tucked it in, but because these aren't like waisted, like high-waisted, I feel like it just doesn't sit right. Let me see if I can kind of adjust the top. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it almost should be this length, but then with this style of trouser, or this fit of trouser, it doesn't really look great. But I actually do prefer it like this than when it's tucked in. I don't know, I just don't think it smells flattering on me. and I think with maybe some like skinny trousers it'd be nice, but I don't really own a lot of those. I could try it with some high-waisted jeans, but I feel like I'm kind of just trying to style a top that I don't really like. Like, it looks really smart and dressy. Like, I love the big collar and I love the really kind of long, almost exaggerated cuff. But if I have to try this hard to make myself enjoy something, maybe it's just not for me and my wardrobe. Yeah, I might pop this up on Vinted. I don't know, it's a gorgeous top. I think it's a pretty good brand as well, but I just don't love it. I don't know. I'm not that sad about getting rid of it either. To be honest, it's kind of like getting rid of something that's been weighing on my mind, just weighing on my wardrobe. Yeah, so that other top is from Massimo Dutti, which is probably why I bought it in the charity shop, because it was a brand I recognised and a good quality brand, but it's just not really my style. This is more my style. This is still a very similar kind of outfit. It has that white top, black bottoms and the red shoe, but already I feel a million times better in this. Like, I feel like this slightly looser fitting top makes the trousers look slimmer, whereas that was making them look like big and baggy or something. So yeah, I love this super simple top. It's 100% silk, so it feels gorgeous on the skin. Really lightweight. Obviously, it's kind of top you need to steam whenever you want to wear it, or just like steam it after each wear and then have it hanging in your wardrobe ready to be worn. But yeah, I love it, and it looks great with jeans, and it's just really basic, and I love the kind of slightly, even though it's just like a sleeveless top, it's more like a cap sleeve, just kind of off the shoulder. Really nice. So this is going back in for spring. I feel like there's a million ways I could style this top. So this suit I wanted to try on just to remind myself how fun it feels to wear a matching suit, and I just threw it on with the same silk blouse. How fun. And also the red loafers, I think, just kind of make it pop. I do feel like the loafers on this style of suit make it a little bit more androgynous, maybe because it's like the slightly wider shoulder. It's because this blazer is a size bigger than my own size, because I couldn't get it in my own size. So the trousers are my size and then the jacket's a bit bigger. But I kind of like the looser jacket too. The red is quite a statement on the bottom as well, so I could also wear my kind of peachy nude ballet flat. But yeah, I really like this. I could also wear a heel or, you know, like a strappy sandal if I needed something dressier. And then if I wanted to go a little bit less dressy, I could wear a more casual top as well. So if I kind of swap this out for the black t-shirt that I was wearing earlier, so it's kind of ribbed and it's a little bit more casual, then it kind of just creates a little bit more of an easygoing outfit, especially then with the beige toned shoes. So this is something I'm pretty sure I've worn pretty much this outfit before. I've also worn it before with Converse, which also looks, you know, nice and casual again. But yeah, because of the colour of the suit and the style of it as well, I feel like you can kind of wear a lot of different tops underneath and a lot of different kinds of trousers. So I just really need to try it on just to kind of remember how it fits and remember how I feel in it. And yeah, I really like it though. I'm definitely put this on my to wear list for work. So this was the last piece that I needed to try on, and I love this brown jumpsuit so much. I think it's so chic, and I think that's why I've kept it for all these years as well. But I just think it's a lot, you know, it's a lot of brown going on. I was just looking in the mirror thinking, like, if it was more like ankle length, would I be more inclined to wear it if it was just a little less kind of covered up, I suppose. I do love a little bit of an ankle. Then you kind of wear flat to it and you can still see your feet. Can't really see the shoes I'm wearing, and they are really cute, so I just think maybe hemming it a little bit. It is a little big for me as well. I'm able to pull it in with this kind of buckle that's on it. Let me just brighten it so you can see it a bit better. So this buckle, but I've pulled it in a lot so you can kind of see it's quite roomy around here. So if I even just kind of sewed a dart into it or kind of took it out of the sides, something, I need to kind of just make it fit better. And I think once it fits better just around the top half, the bottom fits really nicely. up until the waist, got that cinch. So to fix this, fix the length, I think it could look amazing for some kind of event or something, even just like, you know, running around London for a day in the sun. It would just look so good. I also feel like pop on some sunglasses as well. Like, this just looks so good, it's so chic, I just adore it. So definitely need to get this into the to alter pile, top of the pile as well, and yeah, get something done with this because it's just such a waste sitting in my wardrobe. I got it at a vintage kilo sale. Cost me basically nothing because it weighs very little. But yeah, I just adore it. I don't think there's much else to try on. There might have been some shoes. I'm just gonna have a little look in the pile because I did get rid of some stuff today instead of trying them on. So let's just see. So this is one of the dresses I showed you as well that I said I usually wore with like a white kind of mother of pearl slogan t-shirt, which I feel like even just that little bit of writing that I used to have on my t-shirt made this outfit more interesting. But it's still kind of cute with the white t-shirt under it, the plain one. But I also tried it on with these boots that I had put into the try on pile. Let me zoom in a little bit, the Veil ones. Because I was thinking maybe they work better in an autumn winter wardrobe. And although they kind of look cool with this outfit, I'm not like obsessed with it. I don't really feel like me, and also the boots just feel like my feet look pretty big for this outfit, so I'm not sure it balances out. I don't know, let me know what you think. But I had to also introduce this bag as kind of my like third colour of the outfit because it was all very brown and white and it just needed something else to kind of like make it pop. So I just threw on my basket weave bag that I got in Marrakesh. I love this, just makes everything more summery. So I think this is quite a cute outfit, but I actually think I'd prefer it with sandals instead of these boots. I used to wear it with a pair of like kind of burgundy red boots, and that they looked really good, but I got rid of them. I don't remember why. I don't think I wore them a lot, but yeah, just not really digging it with these boots. So I feel like these might be kind of a need to go away for autumn winter kind of thing. But yeah, I think that's pretty much, I mean, my pile is looking pretty empty. They're just to go, they're my pajamas and also to go into my winter wardrobe. And then a few of these things, don't really know what they are. There are some sandals to like go into the wardrobe. There's a hoodie to try on that I actually think I'm going to keep. I'm going to put it on now for the evening. And this is my black cami that I'm going to put it back in my wardrobe because let's face it, black camis are an absolute essential for a summer wardrobe. We're kind of losing light as well because it is almost 7:30. Yeah, almost. Yeah, I don't know why I couldn't read the time there. Yeah, it's almost 7:30, so I'm going to wind down for the evening. Going to go listen to some records. Yeah, Andrew got his studio set up next door. The house is finally coming together, so it's nice to kind of get to use these little areas. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. There will probably be a part 3 to this where it'll be kind of like showing you everything that's in my spring/summer capsule. If you're not already subscribed and that's a video you want to see and you don't want to miss, be sure to subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. And I will see you guys really soon in my next one.